Tired of eating chicken and rice every day? Try these high protein chicken dumplings. Start by finely mincing 210 grams of chicken breast. Add 50 grams of onion, ginger, coriander, soy sauce, butter, lemon juice, salt, and black pepper. Mix everything well and let it rest for about an hour. While the chicken is resting, make a quick dipping sauce with soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, chili oil, honey, and sesame seeds. Next, divide the filling into 9 equal portions, about 30 to 32 grams each. Using rice paper, wrap each dumpling and seal it well. Place the dumplings on lightly oiled parchment paper to prevent sticking. After steaming, they are soft, juicy, and ready to serve. Finish with the dipping sauce and you are done. 9 dumplings, almost 50 grams of protein.